Trunk struts, also known as lift supports or gas struts, are essential for smooth trunk operation. They counterbalance the trunk lid's weight, preventing it from slamming shut. On 2005-2010 Chrysler 300 models, these struts often wear out, typically around 100,000 and 50,000 miles, or 8 to 10 years due to gas leakage, seal degradation, or physical damage. Signs of failing struts include a sagging trunk, difficulty closing it, excessive force needed, or a popping sound. Replacing them is crucial for safety and convenience. Ignoring failing struts can lead to trunk slamming, potentially causing injury or damage. DIY replacement costs $50 to $100, while professional service ranges from $150 to $300. Tools needed are a socket set 10mm 13mm, pliers, a screwdriver, and a strut compressor tool. Always prioritize safety by supporting the trunk during the replacement. Begin by opening the trunk and securely supporting it to prevent accidental closure. Locate the struts on each side of the trunk attached at the hinge and lid. Disconnect the ball joints using pliers or a screwdriver to release the retaining clips. Compress and remove the old strut. A strut compressor tool is recommended for safety. Install the new strut by aligning the ball sockets precisely to avoid binding and ensure smooth operation. Reconnect the ball joints, making sure they are securely fastened. Test the trunk's operation to confirm smooth opening and closing. It's advisable to replace both struts simultaneously for balanced performance, similar to replacing brake shoes in pairs.